In this video, I'm going to share with you an incredibly easy way to make $550 per day just using Google Translate. Now, this method is great because it takes just minutes to do. If you're someone that's busy, maybe you're working a job, maybe you have a family, you're going to be able to do this in just a few minutes a day and start to make some great income. It also doesn't require you to spend any money. This method is totally free to do. So if you don't have a lot of money right now, do not to worry, because as you follow me in this video, you're gonna see exactly how simple this works. And it's also a worldwide method. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located. If you watch this video and apply what I'm gonna share, then you'll be able to see results. So be sure to smash the like button down below right now to let me know you're excited to learn this incredibly easy money-making method. And also be sure to stay until the very end of the video to access a bonus method to make as much as $2,000 per day on total autopilot. And you do not want to miss this. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is head to Google and search people per hour in the search bar, and then go ahead and search that. Now at the very top, you can see this link here, peopleperhour.com. You want to go ahead and click that link. Okay, now once you're on this page, this is the website where basically people will come to it and create projects, different tasks that they actually want done. And what we're gonna do is actually sign up for free, accept these different projects, and then start to make money very easily and very quickly, okay? So once you're on the site, what you wanna do is go up here and click sign up. It's gonna take you to a page where you fill out your information and you'll be able to create an account in minutes. Now, once you create an account, what you wanna do is go up here to search and click search projects, because we're basically going to be a freelancer and we're going to look for projects that we can actually use Google Translate with. And this is literally gonna be copy and paste, as you'll see in a second as you keep watching. So once you click projects, it's gonna take you to a list of different projects. Okay, now right now there's 5,288 found. So there's tons and tons of projects. People are constantly creating new projects, so you're gonna be able to find a ton of them. Now on the right side here, you'll be able to see what price they're actually offering, okay? Some are per hour, some are a fixed price. So if you actually send a proposal, you apply to actually fulfill this project for them, they will pay you 237 bucks. So it only takes one or two of these a day to make some really good income with this method. Now, what you would want to do is actually go up here and where it says in all categories, you want to click translation, okay? Because translation is what we're actually going to be doing with this method, as you'll see, okay? So go ahead and open that up, and when you do, you're going to see a drop down. Now, right now, there's 69 different projects that you can actually apply for, okay? And what you want to do is look over this little title, and these are going to be a description of the projects that people are posting. So this one is translation from English into Japanese, English into Polish, okay? If you can go down here and just keep looking. Now, I'm going to use this as an example, okay? If I go to translation of 4 documents from Dutch to English, if I open this up right here, you're going to be able to see the project. Okay, so this is a description of what they want. Okay, so I would like to get a price to translate 4 documents from Dutch to English. The documents are in PDF, and I would like to have them back in Word format. Okay, very, very simple. Now, once you actually sign up and you apply for the project, if you get accepted, they will send you the text. Okay, you're not gonna have to make it up or try to guess it yourself. They will actually give you exactly what they want translated. But here's what we're gonna do using Google Translate. Okay, this is absolutely incredible. Once you get accepted, okay, for the project and you actually get that text, what you're gonna do is head over to Google Translate. Now, I actually have a Dutch article that I've created right here just as an example, okay? So what you would do is copy the article that they actually gave you here, and then we're gonna go to Google Translate. You can just search Google Translate into Google and go ahead and search that. Now, what happens is you can actually select all the different languages of what the initial article is in, okay, or blog post or PDF, whatever they want translated. So let's say it's Dutch in our case, so you would just select Dutch. And then what do you want to translate it to? And I have English, because that's what they're asking, from Dutch to English. Well, then all you do is you paste, okay, that in there, and instantly we have this entire English article already translated, okay? So basically, you can go to, peopleperhour.com. You can get these projects that will pay you hundreds of dollars per project. And then all you have to do is take the text they're giving you, go to Google Translate and translate it into whatever language that they want. Now, there's one tip that I highly recommend you do, because when you translate it, it may not always make 100% sense. Okay, Google Translate does an incredible job to make it make as much sense as possible. But what I recommend you do is just spend a few minutes and go through and read over it, okay? And if it doesn't make quite sense, you can edit it slightly to actually make sense, because chances are you'll be able to figure out what the person meant, and you'll be able to actually translate it properly into English. And then once you do that, you're just gonna copy that article, okay? Go back to this person and then send it to them, okay? And they will pay you, whether in a PayPal or, whatever method that you actually choose when you sign up. And it's really, really that simple. So again, if you're loving this method and the light bulbs are starting to go off, be sure to click the like button if you haven't already, because that's gonna tell me to make more. I have tons of these methods that I wanna share with you that you can start using to just generate results very quickly. Now, another thing is when you go to search for different projects, they have tons of different categories, okay? So you can go to different categories. You can go to video, photo, audio editing. Maybe you have some video editing software and you're good at that. Well, this person right here will pay you $450 to just edit videos for a luxury YouTube channel, okay? You can go through video editing. You can also, if you're good at social media, okay, you can actually help grow someone's YouTube channel. You can do a ad management, okay? So there's lots of different projects you can do to make money. Now, like I promised at the beginning of the video, this method is great, but you may want to take this to the next level and really start to make money on autopilot and maybe make as much as $2,000 or more a day. If that's you, I want to invite you to a free training webinar that's going to be in the description below. When you click that link, you're going to get taken to a free training revealing more information on exactly how to set up my #1 recommended opportunity to start to make as much money as possible. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching. If you got value, again, click the like button. Also subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest videos. I'm gonna be posting more like this on a weekly basis. And again, last but not least, if you want access to that free training while it's still available, click the link below and access that now. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.